National Nutritional Week 2020 is celebrated on September 1st through 7th. It was organized by Food and Nutrition Board that operates under Ministry of Women and Child Development. Running since 1982, it puts emphasis on educating people in all states across India regarding the importance and necessity of good nutrition in diets. The theme for National Nutritional Week 2020 is Eat Right, Bite by Bite. There are many different ways to get and stay healthy. Following tips can help to live a happy and healthy life.
A balanced diet is one that fulfills all of a person's nutritional needs. Humans need a certain amount of calories and nutrients to stay healthy. A balanced and healthy diet provides all the nutrients a person requires without going over the recommended daily calorie intake. There is a common misconception that fruits and vegetables are the only constituents of a healthy diet. They are without a doubt super important, but they are not only the healthy food out there. In fact, eating a healthy and balanced is about establishing a balance between the key food groups, which also include proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. According to the USDA's recommendation, half of a person's plate should consist of fruits and vegetables, and the other half should be made up of grains and proteins. And surely it is accompanying each meal with a serving low-fat dairy. So, a healthful balance includes food from the following 5 groups. It includes vegetables, fruits, grains, proteins, and dairy. While you adopt a balanced diet, it is also important to stay away from a unhealthy processed food.
Stay active. Physical exercise helps not only your body but also your mind. Regular exercise is very important. It helps to strengthen your muscles, joints, and bones, whether you are old or young. It is important to stay active every day throughout the day. Some activities like yoga, walking, swimming, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, etc. helps us to be physically healthy.
Improve sleep quality. For the most part, it is your job to take care of your body. However, there are a few housekeeping tasks that the body handles for itself. One of this is sleep. There are many things you could do to improve sleep quality. For one, avoid coffee, energy drinks, or other brain stimulants that could keep you from sleeping.
Maintain social relationships. This is another unique yet highly effective way to achieve and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Social interaction and strong relationships help with mental health the same way exercise does. Spending time with loved ones could increase your brain levels of chemicals like adrenaline and oxytocin, which improves overall health and well-being. So, call a friend, spend time with your family, and meet new people.
Dear students, to maintain our health, keep our brain active and healthy. We know that our central nervous system controls everything in our body. The brain is at the very center of this complex system and therefore it needs extra care. One way to keep the brain healthy is by giving it favorite foods. This includes healthy fats like omega-3, vitamins, minerals, and lots of water. We could also keep our brain healthy by challenging it, by reading books, solving puzzles, etc.
Water. Water is everything. It is the source of life. Our body is composed of about 60% of water. It helps to maintain the balance of body fluids, thereby facilitates digestion, absorption, circulation, secretion of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and maintain the body temperature. Water can help to control calories. It helps energize muscles. Water helps our kidney and also keep our skin looking good. Water, it is an amazing liquid. We can't live without water. 8 glasses of water per day has been the recommended daily consumption. Students, one tip I give you now, keep a bottle of water with you in your car, at your desk or in your bag. Once again I remind you, drink plenty of water throughout the day to avoid dehydration and also maintain your health.
Reduce your alcohol and drug intake. A human body is pure when it gets born. To keep your body healthy, it is important to avoid anything that could cause it harm. Alcohol consumption leads to brain dysfunction, chronic heart disease, pancreatitis, reproductive dysfunction, and liver cirrhosis. Mental effects such as mood changes, confusion, memory loss, and loss of consciousness can also be impacted by consuming alcohol. Drugs are chemicals that affect the brain and body. Drugs can change how the brain works and interfere with a person's ability to make choices. And so far, nothing consumable has been proven to be as dangerous to the human body as alcohol and drugs.
A clean body is a healthy body. According to the World Health Organization, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Personal hygiene ensures this by eliminating any pathogen lying around in your skin, hair, or even in your mouth. So, brush your teeth twice a day, shower at least once a day, and avoid wearing dirty clothes.
Stress management. Being healthy is not just about having a strong and disease-free body. It also includes taking care of your mind. Studies have shown that unmanaged stress and depression could actually manifest as physical illness. One way this happens is through lowered immunity. There are different ways you can manage your stress. Eat a one-time thing where you have a salad and over a sleep one day and think you are a good to go. Make it a completely new and long-term lifestyle. Change your body will thank you for it.
Hi everyone, today I'm standing before you to introduce a healthy dish with oats named Oats Omelette. Oats are the healthiest grains on earth. So let us go to the ingredients. We need milk, egg, rolled oats, chopped tomato, green chili, chopped onion, chopped carrot, chopped coriander, oil, salt and pepper. First of all, we want to add this milk to these oats. So we can add it. Now let that sit for 5 minutes. So now we have to put some oil. Now we have to add this mixture to this pan. Now the oats omelette has been ready to serve. Hope you all guys have enjoyed the video. Try it for yourself, the simple healthy dish. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.
Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Today I am going to make the nutritious food for you. And the nutritious food is salad. And the ingredients for salad is tomato, carrot, cabbage, onion, cucumber, salt, and then lemon. First of all, we should add this tomato in this bowl. And then we should add carrots. Next is we should add cabbage into this. Next, we should add onion into this bowl. And next, we should add cucumber in this. Next, we should take some salt. Next, we should squeeze this lemon into this mix. And then we should mix it well. And finally, our salad is ready. You should definitely try this salad for your better health. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello all. Today I am going to make a healthy drink. Dried ginger coffee. And the ingredients are: the first ingredient is dried ginger, cumin seeds, pepper, jaggery and tulsi leaves. Then some powders, turmeric powder and coffee powder. Okay, now we are going to grind our dried ginger, cumin seeds and pepper. And now our powder is ready. Now we are going to add all our ingredients to boiling water. Now we are adding our jaggery, the powder, turmeric and coffee powder, and we will add our tulsi leaves. Our healthy drink is ready. Dried ginger coffee. It increases our immunity and keeps us healthy.
Hi friends, today we are going to make a nutritious food. It is very simple to make this, so all of you want to try this. For this, there is only 3 ingredients. The 3 ingredients are roasted peanuts of 50 gram, seedless dates 50 gram and 3 arrowroot biscuits. Instead of arrowroot, you can use also marigold biscuits. Here I am using only little quantities of ingredients. If you want more, you can take more quantities of ingredients. So now we can start. For this, you need a mixer grinder and put all ingredients in this mixer grinder. When you put this arrowroot biscuits, you should break it into 2 pieces and put it in the mixer grinder. When I had break, it becomes 3 pieces. There is no problem for that. Okay. So now stir these 3 ingredients in a mixture grind for once. So now it is ready. Now we can serve these into a bowl. Now we can make these into small bowls and serve it into a plate. So now we can make it into a small bowls. So our bowl is ready. So now we can serve it into a plate. You can make this in your own shapes. Now our nutritious food is ready. So our nutritious food is ready. So all of you want to try this. Okay, bye.
Congratulations and celebrate.